Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us a new smartwatch which is first of its kind in India, and it's a hybrid smartwatch from Noise. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the NoiseFit Fusion hybrid smartwatch. The box is simple with just the model name written here in the middle. And here at the back we have the features of this smartwatch, such as it supports both Android and iOS, 5 ATM Waterproof, you get digital watch faces, 1.22-inch TFT touchscreen, smart notifications for calls and messages, 30 days battery backup in analog mode, and 3 days battery backup in smart mode, and then the other features such as heart rate monitoring and so on. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 9,999. However, it's available at the moment for Rs 6,999. You can also use the coupon code listed in the description below for additional 500 rupees off for limited time. This smartwatch is available in 3 variants: Classic Black, Vintage Brown and the Rose Gold. And the one we have here is the Classic Black. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here we have the main box, and guys, I must say that the packaging of this watch is really good and it does feel premium. On the top we have this envelope, and inside it we have the warranty card and the user guide which has the info about this hybrid smartwatch. And here we have the smartwatch itself, and as you might have noticed that you get an additional silicone band along with it. NoiseFit Fusion is a hybrid smartwatch, which means you get the mechanical analog hands to tell you the time, as well as a smartwatch touchscreen feature. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the package we get this charging dock, which to be honest is one of the best looking dock I have ever seen in this price range. There are no pins on it, and you just need to place the watch on the top of it and it will start charging. Apart from the dock, you also get this micro USB charging cable in the package. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. The first thing which I immediately noticed, that this smartwatch definitely looks premium in both the design and the build quality. You get the metal casing on this watch, which again feels pretty good. The straps you have on this watch are of traditional style, and you get the leather strap in this watch, and the quality looks pretty decent. And apart from this, you also get this silicone band which you can replace very easily. The leather straps give this watch a professional look and feel, and the silicone band gives it a sporty look, and this smartwatch feels quite comfortable with both the options. Overall, I like the design and the build quality of this smartwatch. Now in terms of overview, you have the regular analog watch mode which you can use without turning on this smartwatch, and here on this side you have 2 buttons and a crown to navigate. At the back you have the optical heart rate sensor, and this smartwatch also supports auto heart rate tracking. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on, and on the watch we are getting this QR code to pair the watch with our phone. The app name is NoiseFit X, and the pairing process is really simple. Just scan the QR code, create your account, fill some details, and that's it. For the first time, it will ask you to calibrate the watch, which you need to do by just scanning the watch like this, and it will adjust the analog time. Now let's go through the watch menu. NoiseFit Fusion supports touch gestures, as well as you can use the physical buttons on the side. And to my surprise, the touch response is pretty good on this smartwatch. So when you swipe down from the top, you will get the settings such as brightness, weather, airplane mode, and also the shortcut to the heart rate monitoring. The watch face looks good, and in total you get 10 different watch faces in this smartwatch, which you can change from the watch itself or through the app, and here are few of them. Now in terms of menu, if you swipe from the right from the middle left, you get the fitness data, which includes your step count, calories burned, distance traveled, and total workout minutes. To go back, you can use the bottom button or just use the swipe gestures. You can also use the crown to navigate, and on the watch face, moving the crown will bring the settings and also the notifications. Now in terms of main menu, swiping towards the left from the right side, you will see different icons. And here you have 2 pages. On the first page you have the weather, message, and the other notifications. And then you have the fitness data menu. And after that, you have the heart rate monitoring. We have also tested the heart rate monitoring, and to us, it seems pretty accurate. On the next page of the menu, we have the sleep data, alarm, music controls, and then the settings. And here you have different settings such as time, vibration, and sound, and you can also reset the watch from here. And lastly, you have the more menu, where you have the timer, stopwatch, find my phone, and also the calendar. Overall, the menu is pretty good, and you have a lot of features on this smartwatch. Navigating is also quite simple with both gestures and crown. This watch also supports race to wake feature, which works pretty good. And also if you press the crown once, it will turn on the screen with this analog time. Now let me show you the app. The app name is NoiseFit X, and on the home page you have the usual fitness data, and tapping on any of the option will show you the historical data. And on the second page you have the leaderboard, which will show you your ranking among your friends and other users. And then you have the watch faces, and as mentioned earlier, you can change the watch face from the watch and the app as well. Right now there are total 10 watch faces, and we hope that Noise will add more watch faces later on. And then lastly we have the settings, and from here you can enable auto sync, calibrate the analog time, and then you have the heart rate monitor settings, and here you can enable auto heart rate tracking. After that you have the preset sleep time, where you can input your usual sleep time, and during that time period it will not turn on the watch screen. And then we have the reminders and notifications. And talking more about the notifications, here is how you get the call alert. You can also reject the call from the watch itself. And now let me show you the message notifications. The good thing about this watch is that the watch hands auto adjust so that you can read the notifications easily. And guys, if you pair this smartwatch with the Android phone, you will be able to use the preset replies for the messages, which is really good. Coming back to the settings again, then you have the usual weather and the menu display settings. On the top, there is also an advanced menu where you can turn on the race to wake feature, which by default is off. And then you can also choose the screen on time. So overall, NoiseFit Fusion is a very good quality hybrid smartwatch. It's first of its kind in India, especially at this price range. I like the design, build quality, and the features of this smartwatch. I'm yet to verify the data accuracy as I just got this watch today itself, but I will try to make a comparison or a dedicated review of this smartwatch very soon. And guys, if you want to see or know any other feature of this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So to sum it up, I find this smartwatch very good, and I definitely recommend this smartwatch to someone who's looking for a professional looking smartwatch with all the sport features. The hybrid feature is also an advantage, and you can continue using this watch for a longer period. And at this price, I find this smartwatch a good value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. And also, don't forget to use the coupon code for additional 500 rupees discount. So that's all for now in this video. We hope you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.